afternoon and welcome to Birmingham. Local time is 14:35 and very shortly the cabin crew will be leaving their seats to perform safety related duties. However, at this point please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign in the panels above your head. Electronic devices may now be used if they are within reach for messaging, calls and internet access. Before leaving us this afternoon, please ensure you are looking on your floor areas between the seats and checking the seat pockets. Please take all your personal items, electronic devices and any documentation that you may require to go through the terminal building. Smoking is not yet permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area, and please do be careful when opening the overhead lockers. We hope you've enjoyed this afternoon's flight. A few minutes behind schedule, we hope it doesn't cause you too much inconvenience to your onward journey. For the latest news, promotions and travel updates, you can check out Twitter, Facebook, or even download the Easyjet app to manage your booking in one handy place.